Why? President of India from North India, Prime Minister of India, North India. Because of we don't have strength to show our political strength. So we don't want to live like second-grade citizens in Delhi, paying taxes and saluting Delhi.
So
I have told, I have opposed. If as it is 543 wanted to implement women reservation 181, ask him to implement today itself. 2027 UP Assembly elections are going to come. Ask him to implement women reservation in Uttar Pradesh. If you wanted to do with the 2011 census, you can do with AI within 3 hours. If you wanted to appoint a commission, if commission can give you within 3 months report to which seat to allocate to women, which seat to general.
अतराफ टीवी, हर बात सच के साथ।